couldn't keep a straight face. Y'all stop staring at me, please.
You're like,
shit, hurry up. I'm moving farther and farther from my six pack. Okay, hold on. Let me gag myself. Okay.
I didn't like it. Because you need to freak out more. You're trying to change the channel, but it won't change the channel. You're just like...
I did.
She was like this, guys. She was like this. Look. She's like... you're like, pretend like freak out that you have to change it. Like, oh my god.
But the music... Oh, okay, I guess so. Hurry up. One more time.
I snapped like 10,000 times!
Man, I have a good daughter. Hold on. Wait. I know you're hungry. Hold on. Okay, sit there and wait.
Sure.
Cut. Okay. Wait. Okay, you got the part where it says, can we talk, right? Hold on, let me read this.
Come on, Julia Roberts.
Hey.
Hey, I'm worried about your sister.
I have to let it out.
Pop it up again.
That was funny.
I have to let it out. It looked like it sounded like the Cumbia Kings.
You know how long we've been at it? I already cooked 3 times, 4 times. Right, Jacob? Just to start off the movie.
The bacon's like dead.
The bacon's burned, the egg is like crispy now.
Okay.
do I still have to sit over there?
Yeah. Alright. Stand over here.
Okay.
What are you worried about?
Gotta start all over.
Oh, we have to start all over?
Yeah, because you fucked it up. Alright. Tell me when.
What? What's going on?
Sure. Huh? Pretend you're doing something.
Why you say that?
I read something on Twitter.
You're broke!
Chinga mother. Well, because I need to pause it a little bit. I can just say, hey, I read something on Twitter. It's kind of like I'm having a hard time telling you because I'm worried. I'm stressed. I'm smoking a joint all because of your sister.
A joint, you see?
Okay, I'm starting to sweat here.
Do you have to agree? Motion sense?
Okay, get out, Ash. Hurry, we gotta do this quick.
I got the motion sense right there for you.
Okay. Hey, I'm worried about your sister.
Why do you say that?
Because I read something on Twitter.
I know! The battery's like halfway.
I'm trying to be serious here and she fucks it up.
Ma.
Let me slap you so you can be serious.
And then get my drink Coke.
You can't like just like smile whenever she's talking. It's like
No, you gotta be like, well, what's wrong, you know? Like, what's up? Are we driving okay? Yeah. Alright. Get out of the way, man. I want to finish this video. Let's start my
She
beer.
has her popcorn.
I'll give you back your soda in a minute. Because I'd rather have my beer. Okay. Hey, Foxy, I'm worried. Okay. Hey, I'm worried about your sister.
I'm so stupid, Mom.
Yes, you are.
I'm trying to be serious and I can't. Okay. One more time. One more time.
Jacob, hey, I'm worried about your sister.
Okay.
Hey, Alyssa.
Well, yeah. I mean, I remember when, back in my day, I used to make out.
Really? Get out of here. I don't want to hear that.
Mom, you messed up the line.
Well, I didn't remember it.
It was going good until you said messed up the line.
Right? It sounded natural.
No, I have to go.
Natural.
Education's calling me, and then that's when I run and you're. I remember when I used to make out back in. You know what? Education's calling my name. I will see you later.
Really?
Yes.
I don't think so.
Yes. Yes. I will. Go.
Alyssa, get your ass over here right now.
That was too much running.
I just read something. I'm sorry.
Don't look at Facebook.
It's actually my cousin. I'm sorry. I had it out.
I'm gonna.
Okay. Junior, pasíbate.
Ashley, shut up.
I wanna finish, please.
Well, this one, and then that, and then here, and then.
Hey, how many fuck ups did you do?
I know. Okay. Let's go.
Okay. Hold up. Cut.